Here's the doggy and the Charlotte, as close as they've ever lied down together on the floor. Casey won't quite go on the blanket. I think he... Oh, now he's looking at himself. Hey, Charlotte. Are you watching the doggy go away? You say, doggy, come back. I like you, my doggy. I like you, my doggy. Are you going to roll over for us? Not right now? I'm going to kick. Look how cute I am.
And tonight, Dan Evelyn takes to the mound as the Jays continue their series with the Royals. That's going to do it from the SportsCenter newsroom. I'm Gary Barnes. And then we're broadcasting live
Kick, 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 kick.
Boston time. 17 degrees, sunny skies.
All right.
You look around, you just never know what you're going to find.
Okay.
Take a look at this.
Bye, everyone.
And I believe
I'm a little peanut.
the artist's name is Colin